like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the mini Brooke Carryall. As you could see here, this is a really nice classy bag with a mixture of the material. It has the snake skin on the handle here, and then it has another kind of more like a snake skin, but it's more of a subtle color on this side, and then a leather on the bottom. I'm not sure if you could see. I'm gonna just go through the light to reflect it all. And this one comes with a gold color hardware with the gold color Coach logo on the front. This is the leather hand tag. One side is the snake skin. Let's take a look on this side. This is the bag. One more, and then here's the bottom. And one thing I have to point out about this little leather is it's really nice. It's pretty much scratch free. It's one of this really nice feature of this bag. It has 3 separate compartments. In the middle compartment has a magnetic clamps to close it up. The first portion is a zipper on one side, just a linen lining. And then on the other side is another similar one space, and in the middle here it has one big slip pocket on one side and then another slip pocket on the other side, and it does come with the belt for crossbody wear. Let me show you the bag compartment. I'm not sure if you could see this here, and let's put this side by side with the water bottle. As you could see here, the dimension of this bag here is about 10 3/4 inches in length. It's about 7 3/4 inches in height and about 4 inches in width. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.